How to make a cartoon character sing or talk naturally completely for free. Follow me to learn how to do it.
Indigo violet, rainbow shines forever, gentle and so kind.
First, download and install Ultimate Vocal Remover for free on GitHub. Open the software, choose your input and output files. Then follow the steps to separate the vocals from the music. Click Start and wait a moment. Now you have a file with only the vocals, no background music.
Wow, look up high, rainbow shines, star has it glowing in the sky. With black apples.
Next, open your browser and go to Adobe Express. Select the free version. Scroll down, and click on Animate Character. Choose a character you like. Here you can either record your own voice or upload an audio file. Upload the vocals only file you just created. Adobe Express will generate movements that match your audio. Preview it to check the sync. Once the process is done, click Open in Editor. Upload your original song that includes both vocals and music. Remember to mute the synced vocal track. Finally, export your video and enjoy the result. Like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it. Thanks you.
Wow, look up high, rainbow shines, star has it glowing in the sky. With black apples, sweet and bright, orange fruit, a gentle light, yellow sunshine warms the day, green leaves sing and softly sway. Seven colors in the rainbow, shining in the sky. Let us sing together, la 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 la. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, rainbow shines forever, gentle and so kind. The sky so calm and white, indigo, the ocean tide, violet dreams so soft and sweet, colors make the world complete. Seven colors in the rainbow, shining in the sky. Let us sing together, la 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 la. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, rainbow shines forever, gentle and so kind. Rainbow shining, rainbow bright, guides us with its gentle light. Seven colors soft and true, rainbow we love you.